when I was in the Philippines, I contacted Cykel. If you guys never heard of them, you guys can check them out. I'll leave the website like in the links or description. And I was interested in it. It's actually like a mushroom extract, liquid, and very easy to take. And it has a lot of different kinds. I'll kind of go over them. Hopefully you guys are interested in something like this. I try to take different kind of supplements for different reasons, for energy, for stomach issues, for sleeping, for relaxing, for lots of different things. And I am a coffee drinker. I do like coffee, but the problem with that, it really upsets my stomach. So I was kind of looking for something that gives me energy, but doesn't really affect like my stomach or like the jitterness and things like that. And there actually is one of those that have them. I have 5 here. I'll let you guys take a look. Here are the 5 that I have. The Cordyceps is good for energy, stamina, and anti-aging. So I'm going to take that before I go to work today. And then the lion's mane, that is good for focus, memory, and REM sleep. So that's good for like focusing. If you guys have ever seen Limitless, it reminds me of that. A lot of reviews saying like it, as soon as you take it. I took it last night. I came in last night and I actually took some and this morning. And it does work well pretty fast. You start to feel just a little bit more clear-headed. And then the next one is Reishi, if I'm saying these right. That's good for deep sleep, calming, and mood. And then turkey tail. That's good for prebiotic, soothes digestion and immunity. So it might be good for my stomach. And Shiitake, if I'm saying that right. That's actually good for hair, skin, and nails. So that is what they sent me. So very cool. So I'm actually affiliated with them. So that means if you guys buy something from this, you guys will get a discount if you use my code. I think it's 10%. And then I get a little commission. So it works for both of us. So if you guys want to check this out, that'd be really cool if you guys are interested in things like this. So here's a little picture of the brochure. It's Life Cykel. There's 13,000 plus reviews of 5-star reviews. So they got a pretty good rating. Here's some of the different bottles. Third-party lab tested, non-GMO, gluten-free, and they're grown, made, and packed in Australia and the US. And here's some of the things I just went over. And there's like an example schedule. There's some, for energy, so you might not want to take that at night. But there's, options. There's an example of how someone takes it. In the AM, you can take those. And then in the PM for resting and things like that. All right, so I'll show you how to take these. This is very easy to take. You can mix it in your shake or in your meal or anything if you want to add it. Or the easiest way, which I've been doing, is there's just a little measuring thing right built into it. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a little measuring thing right on there. So it says to take 2 mLs a day. And that's right on there. So I'll just fill it up and just put it right on my tongue. And this one is Cordyceps. And that's good for like energy, stamina, and anti-aging, among other things. If you guys want to look these up on the website, you guys can. The taste is okay. If you want to put it in your shake or something like that, or in coffee, you can even put it in coffee if you want. I'm not a morning drinking coffee person, so hopefully this will replace it so I don't have to drink as much coffee to stay alert and awake. So that was Cordyceps. The taste is okay. I don't mind it. Lion's mane. So this one's for like clarity and thinking straight. And again, I think of like Limitless. We watched that movie in the Philippines before we left, and that's one of my favorites. So they kind of compare it to that. This is supposed to clear your mind and kind of, just think straight. and start the day with that. And this one you can take at night or in the morning. So however you prefer. So this is about half the dosage, but I'll take half now, a little bit later. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not great, but it's for mixing if you want to. But yeah, it's easy as that. So you can start the day with that, a little bit in your coffee or something like that, and then you're good to start the day. So I highly recommend this. Joe Rogan, he had it on his little podcast before, and he highly recommends it, among many other people. If you guys want to check out the reviews and read some for yourself, here's just an example. I'll let you guys see. So here's an example of some reviews. Sleeping like a baby, 5-star. Been taking life cycle mushrooms for 4 years now. Never again without them. Absolutely love them. And there's many more. Love the pep from the Cordyceps and lion's mane is a staple for anyone who cares about their brain health. Generally love to intertwine along with turkey tail and Reishi for my sleep. I'm going to take one more in the morning, turkey tail. And this is good for the gut. It's supposed to soothe your digestion and just like if you have like stomach issues, which I kind of do have. So I am looking forward to each one of these. Each one of these is supposed to be for something that improves your life. So I'm very excited for this. And each one of these lasts about a month. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to take one more for the stomach. All right, guys. So I should be set today. Last night I did take the Reishi. That's for sleep. And like REM for at night, supposed to calm you down. And I came home last night pretty late, you know, a little tired from the plane ride anyway and all the travel. But I did notice it did put me to sleep easier. I usually take a little bit of time for me to fall asleep. And with this, I don't think I woke up at all, which is supposed to help with. You're supposed to sleep and then stay asleep the whole time, and I don't remember waking up. Usually I do wake up a few times. All right, so that's it for this video. If you do want to check out Life Cykel, you can go to the website, and if you do order, just use the coupon code DustinBackpacks, and you get 10% off. So yeah, so that's about it, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.